Hello guys and welcome back to the Sports Vehicle Performance channel. Today we're just going to be giving you a bit of a general workshop update, walk you through, and we'll just show you what we've been up to behind the scenes. We've been a bit behind on the video posting recently, mainly because we've been so busy out here. So we have got more content planned. I'll just show you what's going on. So the first thing as we walk into this room here, we've got an Evo 6 in, which is going to have a pretty much full restoration. Engine came out yesterday, and yeah, it's got a fair bit of rot in it. So next up we'll be dropping out the subframe and basically stripping out the engine bay, and then it'll be underneath. So the props are already off, exhaust is off, and then it'll be the rear end, the diff, and then obviously be getting all that cleaned up, blasted, new bushes, repair the rot, new chassis legs. You'll see this is the car. If you're a keen viewer on our channel, you'd have seen this one in the Evo 6 buyer's guide video, and you probably saw what a state it was then. So yeah, we're now tending to that. The engine is to the camera's right, and that needs work. It's got I think it's spun a shell, so yeah, needs a new crank. So yep, that's out and ready to get stuck in. Slow but steady progress. We've got the Lancia there. It's quite messy in here at the moment, you might see, but that's just because there's so much going on. We haven't really had time to sort it out, but this has had all the, the underside done, as you'll have seen in previous episodes, talking about it. But the engine is what we've been waiting for. And if you come in here, the engine is now underway. Got the cylinder head up here, which has all had the tappets all done. New cams, I can't remember the exact brand, but they're sort of a motorsport sort of cam. And then over here is the block. Itself. I won't unwrap it too much because it's all nicely wrapped to stop stuff going inside it. But you can see there, crank is in. Yeah, brand new crank. Block's all been painted up, brand new. Yeah, that's a billet crank. So making some progress on that, and we've actually got all the parts for it now. So it's just a case of finding the time to get it done. There's a nice big box of bits here. ARP, what's it having? Wiseko. Can't even remember what it's having now. Bridgeway rods, and I think it's having Wiseko pistons. Yeah, they're up there. So that's underway, which is great. It'd be great to get that thing back on the road. Coming through into the main workshop, quite a lot of variation here. We've got two Abarths, the lower one being an Abarth 595 Assetto Course. So this is a proper factory race car. Quite a special bit of kit. We'll take a look inside, and you can just see, it's like a proper manufactured race car. You've got the sequential on the lever, proper Sadov gearbox, aim dash, and yeah, it's a proper factory race car. So this has been in with us for a couple of issues to be sorted out. It's had new ball joints in the front arms, and it's also having a replacement gear potentiometer because the display's playing up. The one above it, similar shade of green. This one's actually a road car. Come all the way from the Isle of Man to have a big turbo. You can see there, the big turbo sat on it.
Get around there.
So that's the GBC. You'll see the actual video of this come out at a later date. We're filming a full installation video, and then we'll be obviously doing a road test just to give you an insight to what's involved in installing it. Because you can actually buy these kits and install them at home yourselves, or you can get us to do it. So other cars, this is the old Cayman SV.2, one we built and developed. This is a PDK Gen 2 Cayman. Lots of stuff done to it. I mean, the yellow isn't my personal choice, but some people would love it. Lots of nice bits on it. KW suspension, IPD GT3 throttle body, raised wheels, GT3 RS Gen 2 Alcon brake discs on the front. So yeah, lots of trick bits. It's actually got the cup car front coffin arms on it to get a lot more cast to it, which makes these things drive massively better. You can see there the gap on the back of the arch to the front. So there's lots of trick bits on that. I think that's actually up for sale. So if anyone's interested, get in touch. Above, this is a G50 911 turbo. So basically the Holy Grail 911 turbo, 5-speed G50. And yeah, this is in for quite a bit of work. So it's having new dampers. I think all around, along with big service, spark plugs, cam cover gaskets, new fuel tank, fuel lines and replacement oil lines down the side, just to really make sure, you know, keep it in that top condition. It's a really well looked after car from new, loads of history, and yeah, just keeping it that way really. Behind us, Mini GP1, you'll remember this from a video again if you're a keen viewer on the channel. Still awaiting a bit more progress on this, so yeah, we'll get round to doing a bit more on this as and when we find the time. Got a 993 Carrera 2. This is just in with us for a major service, so it's just having plugs, brake fluid. It's actually having discs and pads because the pads are really low and the discs aren't in good condition. And yeah, just general bits and bobs on this one. It's actually, just remembered here, it's having the rear windscreen taken out, because really common on these, you've probably seen it on a 993 buyer's guide if you have watched that again. They rust around the seams and the screen seals. They do also do it on the front screen, but the front's actually, I think it might have been done or it doesn't need doing. So I've got to get the rear screen out of this and get this down to the body shop. So yeah, a couple of bits to do on that one. Behind, an Abarth 124. Sorry, it's a Fiat 124. This has just been in with us for a cam bout and water pump. So yeah, another nice bit of kit. As we mentioned before, we are taking over the running of Abarth Racing UK, so Fiat 124, Abarth 124 and all the 500 series we can cater for as well. We've got here, this is the 993 project. The YouTube series for this is actually running a bit behind what you see here, so this is pretty much ready to go to America now. I think it will potentially even be going this week, if not next. So I won't show you too much on this because you're gonna have to wait and watch YouTube videos about it, but you can see it's done. So you can be excited for that to come out and find a bit more in detail about it. And yeah, I think that's basically it at the moment. So there are a couple of more projects in the pipeline, a couple of cars outside as well. But yeah, plenty on, really busy. And yeah, you know, we're here if anyone needs any help or advice. We can cater for any sports, performance, car, from Porsche to Mini to Abarth, you know, we can do it all. So don't hesitate to get in touch if you need any help. Thanks very much for watching this video and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.